Hi, I'm Gary Parker of the ECA, and today we're going to use DesignGenie to design a distribution board that will comply to the 17th edition. Earlier on I set up this design with our upstream network feeding a new distribution board we called Genie 1. Now I'm going to use this to create a 17th edition compliant consumer unit with two RCDs. In order to do that, I activate this distribution board by left clicking on it once, and I use this function here, the new grouping option. This tells me that I'm going to have a series of circuits protected by a single device. In this case, we're going to have an RCD feeding several MCBs. If I choose the Protection tab and choose RCD as an option, I then want to remove my protective device, the overload device, and I want to make sure that we have no cable. So we'll keep this box unticked. I've now got a feed to a group with a 30 mA RCD in place. If I select OK, we've now created the first side of the distribution board, the first group if you will. In order to double up and create another one, we can either go through the process again, or if I hold my left mouse button and put a ring around those, I can use Ctrl and C to copy and then Ctrl and V to paste. I've now got a consumer unit with two RCDs. If I want to design circuits from this RCD, I simply activate it by clicking on it, and then I design my final circuits in the normal fashion. In this case we'll put a fixed load with a 15 amp load. We'll keep the protection standard on here. We'll use a cable, reference method C, clip direct, 10 meters, and we'll choose BS6724 steel wired armoured. We've got a single phase circuit, and we'll put a bit of 2.5mm squared cable in. Now to select the protective device, and we'll choose an MCB. We've got a load of 15 amps, so it seems sensible to have a 16 amp MCB. And this is all the options that we've got. So far, 205. A few too many. Let's try and limit that down by manufacturer. And let's see what Hager devices we have. Now we've got 7. If I click the Check Protective Devices button, DesignGenie tells me all of these devices are OK. So I'm going to choose a 16 amp Type B MCB. Press Select, OK. I've now got a final circuit coming off that RCD. If I want to duplicate it, I simply ring it, make it blue, press Ctrl and C to copy, then Ctrl and V, however many times I wish. I can then go onto my second RCD, activate it by left clicking on it, and then Ctrl and V onto there, and very quickly design quite a large installation. So there we covered the basics of designing a 17th edition compliant consumer unit. I hope that helped. See ya.